to close this forum, close not really in the sense that this is a one-off activity, but we need to more or less bring this to a close, I'd like to call on Congressman Rodolfo Albano III to say a few words.
This is my closing remarks, Ma'am. He was talking about reason and compassion. You know, when I watched a movie before, they said that law is reason devoid of passion. Because if we'll make a law based on passion only, mahirap i-weigh, you know. So, kaya we're here now, opening up this policy forum to hear everybody. And again, as one U.S. Senator has said, everybody is entitled to his own opinion, but you're not entitled to your own facts. Okay? Para maliwanag lang tayo. Kasi ang nangyayari dito, kanya-kanya tayo ng facts, kanya-kanya tayo ng opinion. Okay, we'll respect it. Democracy ito. Kaya nga ikakrack namin yung, sabi nga ni Chairman Belmonte, we will try to convince our fellow legislators dun sa iweweigh natin mga facts na dinala natin dito sa policy forum. Okay? Sabi ko nga, dito sa gamot, any medicine, may adage na one man's honey may be another man's poison. Pwede sa iyo yung marijuana, sa iba allergic, mismo yung aspirin, pwedeng okay sa akin, allergic sa iyo. Those are simple medicines lang, di ba? So, the plant cannabis has a great time today. It was toasted by some and roasted by others. Nevertheless, it was the talk of the town. How many plants enjoyed this attention? Vilified and criticized on one hand, and exalted and appreciated on the other. Let me express my deepest gratitude to our resource persons for sharing their insights, knowledge, and experiences on the medical use of marijuana. My special thanks to Senator Soto for joining us today, our panel of government officials, medical practitioners, lawyers, researchers, advocates from civil society were brilliant in their arguments, whether they are for or against. Our audience from diverse backgrounds and varied life situations were equally profound in their interventions and passionate in their advocacy. The exchange of views and perspectives were as provocative as they were enlightening. As a legislator today, this policy forum provided substantive inputs in the exercise of our lawmaking functions. We will carefully weigh both sides of the debate and decide the forum and content of the legislation that we will propose. This is the first time that a bill on this topic will be introduced, deliberated, and if lucky, enacted into law. And by the way, wala pa pong na-introduce na bill. Nananaginip pa lang kami, napapag-usapan na. Iyon ang kagandahan ng demokrasya. We will continue to listen to the people, ascertain their demands, and ensure that we come up with a law that is life-changing, sensitive, and responsive to their needs and concerns, especially those who are sick and need affordable, quality health care. I would like to thank my boss, the House Committee Chairman on Dangerous Drugs, Honorable Vicente Belmonte, for organizing this forum. It is the first national policy forum on a highly controversial subject that has generated unprecedented policy debate. To make the discussion as inclusive as possible, we initiated the live streaming of this forum to Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. I'd like to thank our regional partners, UP Baguio, Salonga Center for Law, College of Law in Silliman University, Dumaguete, UP Cebu, Western Mindanao University, and the Mindanao Commission Women. I'd like also to thank former Senator Sagisag, who is already 75 years old, and yet he still attended. We greatly appreciate his wisdom on this matter. Finally, I would like to thank the staff for ensuring that no single stone is left unturned to make every minute of this forum worthwhile. Indeed, I hope that all of us leave this room with an answer to the question, medical cannabis, is it about time? Thank you. Thank you very much.
Okay, we have some lunch in the other room. So please, medical marijuana is not served. So.